Let's move on to the third Alankaram today. The third talam is called Rupaka talam. I'll show you the talam now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 dhritam and 1 lagu, which is 4 counts. So the Rupaka talam has 1 lagu and 1 dhritam. Now the swaram. Sari sari gama ri gari gama pa gama gama pada ma pada ni pada ni sa ni da pa ni da pa ma da pa ma ga ri ma ga ri sa.